perfect. All right, so we got risk versus reward. Everybody understand?
Yes.
Perfect. All right, what's the next item in the curriculum? Major reversal areas. Support and resistance. All right, let's go over that. Name a pair, any pair. Somebody name a pair. Name a pair. Which one should I go over? Any pair, any pair, any pair.
USD/JPY.
All right, USD/JPY. Let's go there. USD/JPY. And this is tradingview.com that I'm on, guys. If you go to tradingview.com, you can start a free account. All right. You can start a free account. As you can see, Mr. Kingdom Cash. You just type into the search box the one you want to use. You click it. And when it comes up, you click interactive chart. And it brings up the chart.
And these are real trades, right? I mean, when we do this here, we can actually trade. This is like a harmonic scanner sort of thing?
This is the real market. This is the real market. It's not the harmonic scanner. This is just like a service that you can use to draw on charts.
Okay. To draw on them. But are we actually going to make a real trade on here?
You take your trades in MetaTrader 4.
Ah, gotcha.
I'm sorry, what's the name of the website again?
Tradingview.com.
Thank you.
Tradingview.com. Somebody is texting a lot. All right, so here's what I want you guys to understand. When I look at charts, I look at the daily first to see what's happening. All right, so this is the daily chart. So clearly, this is an uptrend, right? You see this moving up, right? Clearly an uptrend. I'm going to drop down to the 4-hour chart. Now, when I'm drawing on charts, I change it to a line chart. From candle right here to a line chart. Okay? And what I'm looking for are previous highs and previous lows, ceilings and floors. Okay? So what I would do, I'm going to change this to a horizontal line. And you see these peaks and these like peaks, reversals, like you see this?
Yeah.
So that's all I'm looking for. So this right here, it touched the line. And then I'm going to scroll left and look to see other areas.
That's that also touched the line. Oh, reversed.
Okay. See this? Touch. It doesn't have to be perfect. Right? And what I like to do, this is where market is right now. Okay? I'm on 3 below and 3 above where market is right now currently. So that's one.
So what's the 107? Like that's your graph where it starts. What does that mean?
This is where this line is right here. That's previously where it is. This is where I'm identifying where the market touched and went down. Just as if you throw a ball at the ceiling, it's going to bounce and come down. That's what this is representing right here, a ceiling. It bounced and came down. It bounced and came down. Over here, you see it bounced off of this twice, right? It bounced here as well. That's all we're identifying right now. So here's another one. This would represent a floor. It bounced and went up. Right here, it's a ceiling. It bounced and came down.
Bounced and went down.
Right? So all I'm doing is identifying ceilings and floors. That's all I'm doing right now. Bounce, 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 over and over again. So I have 3 right here. And now I'm at 3 above where market is right now. So this yellow line right here represents where market is currently. So I'm going to put another one right here. I'm going to put another one right here. I'm going to put another one actually right here where market is right now. Perfect. So now I have 3 above and 3 below. Where the market is correct currently right now. And then I'm going to drop down to the 1 hour chart, and I'm going to change this back to candles. So you can clearly see the market is reversing in these areas, right? If I zoom in, you can see it even better. It's bouncing back and forth between these areas. So if you can identify where the market likes to reverse and hang around, then you can identify areas where you actually can get into trades. This is how I identify major reversal areas. And when you get good at trading, what you can do is actually take trades based on these ceilings and floors. Because all we're doing is riding the trend, right? Ceilings and floors. Remember, when I was at the daily chart, clearly this was an uptrend, right? I'll drop down to the 1 hour chart, and what do I see? Clearly, this is an uptrend. Okay? So if I look to the left, where this blue line is, if I look to the left, I can clearly see the market likes to reverse here. So what am I looking for? Right here. I'm looking for the market to either bounce and go down, or for it to continue going up to the next level.
So ceilings and floors.
Ceilings and floors. And what I do is I like to use the products to confirm what I'm seeing. So I might go over here to the harmonic scanner, just as an example, and look for a trade for USD JPY to see if I see anything. All right, so the scanner didn't call anything for USD JPY just yet.
Mm-hmm.
Not just yet. But I just want you guys to understand how to identify ceilings and floors. Because it's very important. I don't see anything for USD JPY. But anyway, all I was doing was demonstrating ceilings and floors, okay? Now, another thing, if you notice, does anybody see how the market kept respecting this line? You see how it's bouncing off this line over and over again?
Yes.
And then it broke through, right?
Yes.
So this line is an area that's very respected. And so is this line right here. Did everybody see that?
Yes.
How it bounces off the line, kept going up. So if you can identify areas where the market likes to bounce, then you can know, hey, it's at the green line, I'm going for a sell. Hey, it's close to the green line, it's probably going to go back up, bounce, go for a buy. It's at the green line again, sell. Hey, came close to the green line, buy,
sell, buy,
and then it broke it. It broke it. So this is why understanding the patterns is very, very important, because if you can identify these patterns on your own, you'll be able to take trades. Now, do not go and do this in your live account. You want to practice this in your demo. Okay? Practice is very important. Practice in your demo. Practice drawing on charts. That's the only way you're going to get good at identifying these patterns when you do what I'm going through right now. Let's go to a different chart. Go to one of my favorite charts. NZD JPY. Guys, NZD JPY, write it down. I'm going to put it in the chat. NZD JPY, AUD USD, NZD USD. Great beginner pairs. Great pairs for beginners. Excellent pairs for beginners. Okay? Just for beginners. Okay? Excellent pairs for beginners. Yes, MetaTrader 4 is the platform you trade on. That's Freddie. Yep, MetaTrader 4 is the.
I think the guy Trevor, I think maybe he's confused by his question.
Go to real.
Trevor, we're not trading stocks, my man. We're trading Forex.
Right. This is not the stock market. This is Forex. It's definitely Forex. Okay. So I'm going to draw this chart again, just so you guys can understand how to do it. So I change it to the line chart. Right? And I'm on the 4-hour chart. First thing I would do, go through the same process, is go to the daily chart and see which way market is going. Which way is the market going, guys?
Down.
Down.
Down. This is where it is right now. This is where it came from. Going down. Great job. So I'm going to drop this down to the 4-hour chart and change this to a line chart. And then I'm going to identify my ceilings and floors, my support and resistance. I want 3 below
when to buy, when to sell,
and 3 above where market is right now. So the first one I see is right here. Bounce. Come over here. We got a bounce here. We got a bounce here. Right? We got a bounce here and over here. So that's verified. Number 2 is right about here, where market is right now. Right about there. Because I see it bounced here, it bounced here, it bounced here. I'll go left. I can see it respected it here, right here. So that's verified, okay? Let's get a third one. Right about here, we got a bounce there, we got a bounce here, we got a bounce here, here. So when you draw your line, you can look to the left to identify if that's a real area where the market likes to reverse. Now 3 on top of where market is right now. We got 2 right here, we got 1 bounce here, we got 1 here. If I go left, another one here, another one here, that's verified. Number 2 would be right about here. We got a bounce right there, right there, right there. This one counts. Here and here. Okay, so that's verified as well. Do another one right here. Got a bounce right here. We got one right here. We got more over here. Okay, so this one's verified. So now we got 3 above and 3 below. Now I'm going to change it back to candles. I'm going to drop down back to the 1-hour chart. And then we can clearly see what market likes to do. So this is sideways right now. But remember, on the daily chart, we clearly saw this was a sell. This is where market likes to go. On the daily chart, it's moving down, right?
Right.
We're moving down. So what am I looking for? I'm looking for a sell. I want to go with the market. So guess what I can do? I can take this right here and I can draw a trend line. You see how it's respecting this line right here?
Yeah.
All I'm waiting for it to do is break that trend line, and I can take that for a sell. That's trading, ladies and gentlemen. That's how simple it is. But I'm looking for my sell around these blue reversal areas because that's where the market likes to turn around. It's shown me over and over again that's what it likes to do. So I just verified where the market likes to bounce around, where it likes to reverse at. I know it's a downtrend, so I'm just looking for the downtrend. Unless I get some significant move up that shows me otherwise. Right? So even on the 4 hour.
So I have a question.
Go ahead.
As soon as it breaks, that's when you take your profit.
No.
No?
When it breaks, I would be looking for my entry.
Oh,
These
okay.
blue lines would represent my take profits. If I was trading on my own without any software, I'm identifying these blue lines because this is where the market likes to reverse. So these would be where my take profits would go. All right. So I just wanted you guys to understand how to identify major reversal areas. And if you look, when a swipe trade comes through, if you go draw it out, you'll see the take profits are at major reversal areas. That's exactly what the swipe traders are doing. If you look on the harmonic scanner, if I draw out a chart, I can be within 10 pips of a major reversal area.
Hi, beautiful.
All right. All right. So the last thing we'll go over before we end is types of orders.